Hello lovely, so today my room really looks good, so I thought of why not show you. Look at that. It really looks nice, right? Yeah, it looks good according to me. So there is the mirror. I have a small mirror over there. I'm still thinking of where to place it. I don't like it there. And there is my shoe rack with all the shoes arranged, but I don't like the color of the shoe rack, so soon we will be changing it to white. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. I think it will look pretty cool. And so over there's my laundry basket. Up there I have let's see, what do we have here? Up there we have the duvet. I really like the color. I don't know why I really like blue, but either way, on top of the duvet it's an extra pillow, and up there we have that, I don't know how to call it. I'll just say it's a headgear, the black one. It's a headgear. I use it when I sit down for long hours doing something on my phone, or I don't know, or maybe if I travel for a long distance, I use it to support my neck. That bag came with a birthday gift. Those are my bags, but not all of them. Down here, this is my side table. Not only a side table, but an improvised one. It has all my makeups and all my, like, those small things, the foundation, whatever, those small things that I don't know where to place them. I just place them here and maybe arrange them. Well, this one over here, the black one, is my ring light stand. Let's go to the side of the bed. On this side of the bed, we have the pillows. I really like them. They really look good. And the black and white pillow, I feel like it really vibes, and it like it really complements each other with the bed sheet. And now we go to the side of the kitchen. On this side, that's where I place my, I don't know, detergents or what, but the basil and the bar soap. And this side we have the kitchen. There is the gas, the small jig hole, and this is where I place my utensils. Look at the wall. It's so undone. It's so shaved. I am thinking of applying white paint, but I think it will look good. What do you think? And over there's a blender. And up here we have the spices, we have the tea bags, we have the majani. It's over the drinking chocolates. I really like the githeri, so there's the githeri masala, ginger, pilau masala, black pepper, salt, and some baking powder. Yeah, you can see them. I really like them because I'm a fan of cooking, and soon we'll be doing some cooking tutorials with you. I hope you'll enjoy. Follow up for more. There I place my utensils in that rack, and also the floor will be putting a carpet. It looks so bad. I don't like it. There's a blender and the whisk. I'm a baker, so I have to have those whisks on this table. I don't like it this way. We're going to paint it white and see how it will look like. And also this cabinet up here, I've placed my cooking oil here, and we're also going to paint it white and see how it turns out. But with time, I'll not like tell you I'll do it tomorrow, but with time I'll have done it. On this other side of the cabinet, up there I have the empty containers that I will use in future, and down here is where I place my baking essentials. And yeah, look at that table. Under the table is where I place my spurias and those things that you can see there. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Show some love. Bye.